I mean, you just saw. That was Clem. He was just hanging out top, having lunch, with the chin over the bar. Oh, sweet. Nice. Yo, you got it and then some.
Just making sure I was up here.
Yo, Casey, can we get a little Omega, bitch? Give me an Omega. Omega? Yes. That's what I'm talking about. What?
Long time. I don't know, months.
Well, I mean, months, like 3 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not bad. Nice. Sweet. Do another one. Do another one. Get another one.